I'm Sophia, and I'm currently in Tartu in my first year of university. Tartu is the second largest city in Estonia and one of the top study destinations for many foreign students.
So this is a day in my life at the University of Tartu.
My day usually starts here in the dorm with my morning routine. My favorite breakfast is actually pancakes, but today I only had time for an egg, which is always easy and quick.
So here's my main desk where I do most of my work or eat my meals. I live alone, so I basically have two places in one of the dorm rooms, but yeah, it's pretty spacious. I have two nice closets and lots of space for all my stuff. Yeah, it's beautiful. So here at the university, most international students will be in one of our several dorm houses, but some people do opt to search for an apartment on their own, which can be a bit more expensive. So personally, I live here in the dorms and I have my own room and I live with a few other people. We share a kitchen and a bathroom, and yeah, it works out great for us. My door. Let's do a quick little tour. All right, over here, we have our beautiful kitchen. We have a nice little sink. I have my own air fryer. Here's our fridge. Yeah, very nice. All right, let's go over here. We have a nice little bathroom, coat rack, and here's our shower room. I share the flat with two other girls, but luckily this semester I have my own room, so let's go check out my room. Welcome. This is my lovely dorm room. I have a really nice window area. It's a little bit quieter because it's facing the parking lot, but nice two desks over here. So yeah, we have this nice community room on the first floor of Raatuse dorms. You walk in and plenty of tables to study. We even have a movie screen, so you can do movie nights here with your friends. And yeah, we even have our own kitchen. You will never get hungry down here. I come here a lot to study. So now we are off to check out the laundry room. It's super convenient, right on the first floor with plenty of washing machines, dryers as well. And of course, we have our very own ping pong table on the first floor.
Let's get ready to head to the gym. I try to go 2 to 3 times a week, always before my classes. It helps to keep my mind fresh and is always a great start to the day. After the gym session, it's time to head to the lab. By cycling, of course. In Tartu, you can walk or bike everywhere within minutes. Let's talk about transportation.
On a daily basis, I'm usually using the bus or bike system, and it helps that most of my classes are a walking distance apart from each other. And if I'm looking to explore cities outside of Tartu, I can always use the convenient train and bus lines.
Here I am in the lab where I do most of my practical work, my experiments, analysis, calculations, and all that.
Let's talk about why I chose the University of Tartu. When I was choosing university, I had 3 things in mind. First, a strong international reputation. Second, an emphasis on research. And third, a tight-knit community. And I think I found all 3 of those things here at the University of Tartu. I chose the Science and Tech program specifically because I've always had an interest in the natural sciences ever since high school when I started taking more specific biology and chemistry courses. And I always felt that it was something that I would want to pursue, and been super interested in all the applications of biotech, and I've been able to explore that through this program. I was kind of expecting as a first year that I wouldn't get to be involved in many practical things like in the lab, but from the first semester I was already working with different researchers, and that just made everything much more exciting for me. At times, like with any STEM program, it can be a bit academically challenging, but for me, that motivates me to study even harder. I'm also surrounded by the best classmates who have the same goals as me, as well as super experienced lecturers who just want to make my studying experience better. I think what excites me most about my field is just all the potential applications of what we're learning in lectures, and I think with courses like laboratory projects and getting to work alongside other experienced researchers, you get to actually see what these applications are and how they work in the real world.
In addition to all the practical work, there are also normal lectures, of course. The curriculum is also pretty flexible. I can choose different subjects that I actually enjoy. In addition to the core subjects in my program, I also have an Estonian course to work on my language skills.
Ma otsin elevandile banaani, ma tantsisin elevandiga valssi.
There's quite a lot of studying at university, as you could probably guess. So it's good to find a place where you know you will work the best. I personally like to do it at the university library. For group work or studying with my friends, the Delta Center is a great choice. But besides studying, there's so much more to do here in Tartu.
If I have any free time during the week and the weather is as nice as it is today, for example, I would definitely choose to spend it outside, just exploring the city with my friends, going to a museum, the botanical gardens, going for a run, things like that. We have a really active Erasmus student network here in Tartu, and they put on some really fun events all throughout the semester, as well as our student days, which are coming up. Those are always super exciting and everyone looks forward to them. And also super cool sports events such as the spring run. The weekends are a perfect chance for you to explore other cities outside of Tartu and in Estonia. And if you're looking for more of a nature experience, Estonia has some beautiful nature and scenery for you to explore. All right, so after a super long day of school, we have one more thing on the agenda. The university is having a basketball game, and we are heading there to check it out. All right, guys, we are finally back in the dorms after a super long day. Where did we go? We went to class, we went to the gym, we even went to a basketball game. So it's been a pretty activity-packed day. But yeah, so glad I got to show you guys around, and now it's finally time to unwind. If you're looking for a safe town and a place where you can meet a lot of new people, then this is definitely the place for you. If you have any questions at all about our study programs here at Tartu or any general questions about the city, please leave a comment here and I'd be happy to answer. And of course, you can read any of the articles on our website with this link. So, hope to see you in Tartu. See you!